Now, I only did my wishlist 2024 video a few weeks back and we are already ticking boxes. Like, check! We are already making things happen. The wheels are in motion and the bus is going, you know, whatever that song is. The wheels on the bus. But this bag that I picked up from Louis Vuitton on the pre-loved market, it was basically a necessity. Like, I needed this. Okay, shelter, food, this Louis Vuitton bag. Let's get into it! But first, if you are new here, my name is Connor, and on my channel, I like to talk about all things luxury, so if that's something you're into, I'd love it if you could hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified when I bring out new videos. And if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. So, judging by the vicinity of this bag in its dust bag, you might be like, that is quite large. Yeah, it is a bit. It's actually GM sized. All right, let's just unveil her. Ooh. So guys, I got the Neverfull GM in the Damier Azur, as I hinted out at the beginning. That was in my wishlist video. Now, as you can see, she is given French Riviera vibes, which, fun fact, that's what this canvas was inspired by. But I got the Neverfull GM after I borrowed Dale's monogram one when I went to Paris, and the way that bag worked with an insert in it, this one doesn't have an insert in it yet, but the way that bag worked was perfect. And it was so carefree, hassle-free, and I think a lot of that lended itself to the fact that Dale's was pre-loved as well. The vachetta was worn in, the handles are really soft on the pre-loved ones, and it was just a great bag. There's a reason why Neverfulls are so popular, and that is solely due to the fact of how well they just work. Now, I won't go into too much detail about the Neverfull because it's a popular bag, you guys know what it is. But like I said, it's the GM size, Damier Azur canvas, and the vachetta. The inside of mine is like the beige colour. And this one, ironically, is from 2011, and the week of production is the 8th week, which is my birthday week. So it was meant to be. But I picked this up pre-loved off a Facebook group from someone that I don't know personally, but I know indirectly, and I got it for $1,000. $1,000 for this beauty, and it's in excellent condition. Obviously the vachetta has, you know, got some love on her, and it's nice and soft, and it's that beautiful honey color. There's a few little watermarks here and there, but the structural integrity of the bag is great. The canvas is really thick. There's no, you know, damage to the actual canvas, and even the vachetta, whilst she has got some love on her, it's still really, really great condition. And it's the beige interior, made in France, and that's basically all there is to the Neverfull. Now, when I put out that video when I was talking about getting a travel bag for traveling, and I'd obviously talked about the Neverfull and maybe a St. Louis tote from Goyard, ultimately I kept just going back to this because I've used it. I know it works for myself. I know it's a great bag, and I was just like, when one comes up, I'm just going to buy it. I did have a look on Louis Vuitton's website, because I was like, oh, should I just get it brand new? And then I was just like, no, because then the vachetta will be all new and I'll be too scared to use it, and yada, yada, yada. But Louis Vuitton have discontinued the Azur GM. So I was like, well, I'm going to have to get it pre-loved. And then one came up on a Facebook group, like just around New Year's this year. And I was like, oh yeah, cool. And I took a screenshot of it because I was doing something at the time. I think it was actually New Year's Eve. So I took a screenshot of it, and then I totally forgot all about it. Going back through my photos like over a month later in February, and it popped back up, and I was like, oh my God, that's right. So I messaged the girl, sent it to me, Bob's your uncle. So I have finally joined the elusive Neverfull Club, and I can't wait to take this on all of my little gypsy adventures. Now, the reason why I chose to get the Azur canvas over the other options is because whilst I like the monogram, like the classic monogram one, I've always wanted something in Damier Azur, and they don't really make many bags that I like in it. And this one came up, and I liked the condition of this one. So when all the boxes were ticked, it just worked. So I'm glad that I do have a piece of Azur to add into my collection, so I can tick that box. And I think this bag is just a great all-rounder bag. It's a great capacity. Everything fits in. Obviously, I have an organizer coming for it, so it's not so meh, meh. But yeah, it was just such a great buy. $1,000. What more could you want? okay? A third off retail. And guys, you got to strike while the iron's hot, even though I waited a month. But that's because I forgot. If I was in buying mode, I would have bought it in the moment, but I totally forgot. But when these deals come up, you got to snap them up, honey. So yeah, first bag of 2024 and a short but sweet video, but I had to share it with you. That's what I'm here for. But thank you so much for watching. I'd love it if you could pop down in the comments down below if you're on the fence about getting a Neverfull. Are you like, no, I don't want one of those, everyone has them. Well, everyone has them because they're the bee's knees, okay? They tick the workhorse box, and just get it, all right? Get one pre-loved. You can get a good deal out there, and what more can I say? Proof is in the pudding. But thank you so much for watching. I'd love it if you could give this video the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you have not already. Pop on over to Instagram, theclosetbyconnor_, give it a follow, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!